Come join me on some Canadian winter snow shoveling on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hi, my darlings. So we had some snow the other night, and I'm just going to be shoveling off the driveway. So I just thought I would put you on here. I got this shovel. Look at it. It's all oh, it's gonna be hard. Kind of heavy. There it is. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. I'll just flip you over so you can see. So this island that you see here, the girl we bought the house from, our house in 2010, we bought this house, and her grandmother actually got this custom made for her, and she was going to take her with her, but I really liked it, and so did my hubby, so we really asked if we could have it, like we paid for it. But I told her I'd take really great care of it. And, you know, it's done us really well. Anyways, these two, like this cupboard and here, I want to go and reorganize those two cupboards in there. And it's been a great little, what do you call it, cart kind of thing. So yeah, so I'm just going to go through those two covers with you guys. So here's a before. This is the top shelf there, what it looks like, and then here's the bottom. Top and bottom, what they look like beforehand. And here's the top of this shelf, and then here's the bottom. The before, and maybe even clear out this stuff here too. So here's some of my like paper products, well, plastic, I guess. I love all these, and this. I think you got these from the Dollar Tree in the States. I just love these. And then there's some more knives there, and then these plastic or these paper plates. So, and then I've got some trays here that I'm going to keep, because we kind of sorted this stuff out last year when I did the organization of that cupboard up there, all those 3 cupboards. Okay, my darlings, I'm taking a bit of a break, and because it's hard, but I'm going to have a little dance with my look how I look, my darlings. I look really bad, sorry. But I'm taking a little break. I'm almost done at the end, but I will show you over here I'll have to do in our front porch there. It's like really snowed in, but this is just a commercial break. Okay, see? Hopefully you can see I gotta do this walkway here, and then look at all the snow up on our stairs there. And then if you come, oh, you can see the garage, but it's piled. But I'm not going to do that. I'll let my husband do that. But this is what I've done so far. Oh, you can see. And I just have a little bit at the end to do. I didn't realize, but there's a box of plastic cutlery, and then all these like white paper kind of towel things. I used to have them in here, in this drawer here, but I've moved them. My hubby brings these home from work. And then I have these 2 platters here that just fit nicely there. So I'm just going to keep all that. So that's all pretty much organized. Now I'm going to work on the bottom here and fixing these up. So I emptied all that bottom part out, and here's what it is that was in there. We got a Tim Hortons pot and just a bunch of stuff that I need to go through here. Okay. So we're going to go through all that. So this is the other side, the top of the cart here. So I've got the stuff on here. I told you the story about this. This is a KitchenAid grater. I think I told you one time. I found this in an antique place, but in the back field. It was there and it looked brand new. So, and I think I paid maybe $1 for it. And then I just got this pan that I'm not really, cast iron pan that I don't really care for, and then some of these other containers that came out at the top. This is what came out of the top shelf there, and I'm going to clean it because it's pretty dirty. So there's the second, we're doing the second drawer now at the bottom. I just have to clean that out. I cleaned the top out as best I could, and here's what was in that bottom drawer. Some pans, charger plates, and the pots. This cart holds a lot of stuff. So, anyways, so that's what it is. I'm going to clean that out down there, because I cleaned the door and then the top part. I'm just going to clean that out, and then I'll get to reorganizing everything. So I guess since we're kind of reorganizing and cleaning this cart out, I will also go through all this mess here and deal with that. So this is all what was in these 2 areas here. Can't believe all this fit in there. Look at all the egg cartons. So that was all in these 2 areas. So I'm going to clean those out. So here's another bag of these paper towels that my hubby brings home from work. So I moved all those into here now. This is just all these paper things. So these were stuck in the cart. So I'm just going to put them in here. And I just use these in the kitchen and for cleaning. So there you have it. So here is some of the stuff that I'm going to be, I don't know, donating or throw it away. Like this is a beautiful bread and bun warmer thing. And we're going to be keeping the Tim Hortons tea. We used to have the Tim Hortons coffee maker, and there's some stuff that I just need to put in the garbage. So that's what I kind of decluttered from the space, if you were wondering. So my darlings, here's the reveal. My beautiful little island cart in my kitchen that I mostly organized and cleaned out. So here's the first drawer. Darlings, those are the areas in the cart that I tidied up and cleaned up. Very happy how it's turned out. And I just quickly want to show you, I'm not sure if I showed you this, but this is where I put my teas that are in a pouch. I had gotten this little container from Dollarama. So I put all my teas in the pouch here, and then my rest of my teas are over in that pantry. We did that last year, organizing that, and that's really stayed pretty well, so I'm very happy. So that's that. And then this drawer here has, I know it looks like a mess, but it has all my like napkins and straws and stuff like that I like to keep. So it's actually sorted for me, like that's what that is. And then this drawer right here is a bit of a junk drawer. I need to redo. But here is my little island cart, and I'm happy we got to reorganize it and clean it out together. So thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope it's give you some motivation to maybe, if you have an island and it has storage in the island or whatever, maybe that needs to be reorganized, that maybe give you some motivation, inspiration. And this, my darlings, is the end. It's not the best. I did this area too. It's not the best, but it's gonna be, it'll have to be good enough, because as you probably can hear, I'm out of breath. So, and as you can see, that was all, yeah. There's my job. And come back out here. All the way from there, all the way down. There you have it, my darlings. Thank you for joining me shoveling. I'm tuckered out. But this is, I like to help my husband, so when he comes home from work, he doesn't have to do this. I realize it's not the best job. Oh, I hear the Canadian geese. Look at, see if I can get you. I don't know if I'm filming them or not, but thanks. Bye-bye. Bye for now. And remember what I always say, my darlings, believe in yourself, I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Thank you so, so much. Toodaloo for now. Happy organizing. Toodles. Toodaloo.